Yo, what's up YouTube? It's SH Garrison here, and today I'll be checking out Gfriend Summer Rain. Finally, after all the teasers and photos, I'm gonna be checking it out right now. Let's just get into it. I'm excited. I pre-ordered the album with the poster, the Repackage album. Oh my, the choreography right away. And yeah, from what we know, Love Whisper's the happy one, and this one's sort of like, okay, I didn't right away. Eunha, I love Eunha's voice. Sound of Rain was so loud I couldn't sleep. It's actually somewhat like, I love the imagery in here. All the visuals. I love their latest comebacks too. It's showing how each and every member is just beautiful. Yuju, my bias, right there. Let's get it, Yuju. Is this a miracle of a summer day? Wow, this is really unique. I didn't expect this. Oh, I understand now. This is like being reminiscent of like the summer, because summer has just ended. Wow. Yerin, we gotta love Yerin too. Yerin, Cindy, so on, all the members. I just love the Sound of Rain, like the beginning, and then we saw this in the teaser too with MG. Oh, I forgot MG. I love MG too. Whoa, I didn't okay. I'm getting sort of emotional from, wow. I'm just mind blown right now, guys. Got released 5 minutes ago, and now I'm checking it out. I've been waiting for so long for this music video. We saw that in the teaser. Crying. Eunha, Cindy. There's a memory of summer day. I was being reminiscent of the summer days and all those wonderful days that we all experienced. It was so beautiful, like a stream of rainwater. Wow. The visuals, everything's on point. The cinematography, wow. Just like the end, like Love Whisper. Wow, the Sound of Rain. Just like Love Whisper. Are they gonna continue this? No way, no way. Unless this, or is this the beautiful ending from, wow. Wow, guys. That was beautiful. With the choreography, the background, the visuals. Gfriend, you did it again, you did it again. Another bop, Summer Rain. Beautiful. Comment down below who's your bias. My bias is Yuju, of course, and my bias record is Eunha. It's really hard. I love each and every single member. They're so talented. Make sure you guys support them. Keep listening to the song. I'll be definitely checking out Rainbow, their new album. This is their title track, Summer Rain. And yeah, compared to their previous song, Love Whisper, yeah, it's the parallel version. How Love Whisper was very joyful and happy, and how now it's like Summer Rain. Just being like going from an uncompromising imagery like freestyle, but yet very calm and reminiscent of what summer has what happened in the summer, in a good way, just missing summer. I miss summer too. You guys probably miss summer too. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, share, subscribe, and peace.